Good morning. It's Gladys Tenner here. I'm just bringing to you a quick update on what we are at concerning the question and answer session about the test management, about the testimony of my life. So there's my first video that I recorded concerning how I overcome mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, etc., OCD and all that. How I overcame it. So there is a question there's questions that people are asking, and so we will be bringing to you a program of question and answers. Our answers are based in the Bible because we overcame all these problems. I overcame them through the Bible scriptures, and so today is a quick one to bring it to your attention, that we will have that. Having said that, I can just recap on a quick one. How I started looking at the situation differently, because it starts with you looking at it differently. And so how I started looking at it differently, I start the verses of the Bible, the scriptures. I know we read different books, but that is a book, the book. Yes, that is the book. So reading the Bible, I was reading it, like you will say you are reading it as well. But the Bible itself, it was written by men who were influenced by the Spirit of God. So to read it naturally without that support, without the Spirit of God to help you understand it, it becomes a challenge. It becomes just letters. You remember that Jesus said, the words that I speak to you in the Bible, Jesus said, the words that I speak to you, they are life and they are spirit. That is John 6:63. So if he said that, then you it's like you have an assignment to think, what is he talking about? Because there is more he's saying there that he's not said, if you know what I mean. So that is what I'm all about. I'm all about breaking it and bringing it to the surface, and being revealed to me how to bring it. And I'm able to do that because I overcame through it. You know, it's only when you overcome, that's the only time you can tell somebody else. You can't just talk about something that you've not gone through it, you've not experienced it. I'm talking about it because I went through it, and I can tell you step by step how how I overcame. And so the online course that I have designed for people, it helps a lot of people, and it brings about questions and questions and questions. And those questions, when they are answered, it's like a block has been removed, a veil is been removed, which that veil becomes your healing, because your knowledge, remember Jesus said, you must know the truth. You shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free. So is that truth, is the unveiling that helps you. So it's like, oh, I didn't know this. And then once you know it, so you've overcome the darkness that was there. The unknowing part is gone, and then you move on to the other level. So it's like, I looked at it like a peeling of an onion. So we're going to be peeling the onion layer by layer, for you to actually understand what I'm talking about. So join me on the next video when I start beginning to peel the onion, which is your problem. Your problem is in layers, because look at your age. Look at my age. I'm over 50 now. So for the last 50 years of my life, the layer and layer and layer and layer needs time to unpeel and unpeel and unpeel. So there is no get quick free. No, you have to get ready for it. It's a process. You have to, like everything else, everything is a process. Yes, so join me in explaining on the next video. Like I said, that we will have a question and answer session. So get your questions ready and get ready to listen to other people's questions that will help you as well to break out from this bondage that you are in, the bondage of depression, the bondage of anxiety, the bondage of OCD, the bondage of not knowing yourself, the bondage of being confused, not being able to make any decisions of your life. Yes, you were not created that way. That one I will tell you. You were not created that way. You are special. You are different. All you have to do is to discover how and what went wrong. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I will catch up with you on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on when I upload anything new, because I'm constantly uploading things because of the questions of people. Please subscribe, please like our videos. Questions and answers and comments, ideas, and anything you want to send to us, please let us know so that we can grow this channel together and help our people. Loving God, loving people. Shalom.